One of my viewers recently asked if I could show the exact steps of how to get a business license in Los Angeles. The first step is you're going to go to calgold.ca.gov. This is going to be the starting point for any California business to look up their permits and registrations. So always start here first. Go ahead and select your city and county right here, and you are going to enter in your business type. Now, this is going to populate not just the business license and how to obtain that, but actually all of the licenses, permits, and registrations that you may need for your industry, city, county, and state. And this is going to give you the exact office location and the website of where to obtain that. I'm going to keep this in the video because oftentimes the links are not updated. If you have a city or a county that does not have an updated link, you're going to head over to Google. You're going to type in business license, and then you're going to type in your specific city. Next, you're going to find something that looks similar to this. That is the license and permits section of your city's website. For Los Angeles, we're going to head over right here to the Office of Finance because this is where you are going to register your business and get that business tax certificate. Next, scroll down and go over to business registration. This is the application to apply for that business license, also known as a business tax certificate. After you click proceed, you're going to need to enter in either your social security number or your federal EIN. Now, if you are forming an LLC, a limited liability company, you will be required to use your federal EIN. But if you are a sole proprietor, meaning that you're not doing any additional business formation registration, no complicated LLC paperwork, then you are going to have a choice to either use your personal social security number, or you can get an EIN, an employer identification number, for free from irs.gov. Getting an EIN is going to be a great option if you want to keep your social security number private. There are various reasons why you're going to need to utilize a tax ID number on your business registrations and also on tax forms that you exchange between other businesses. So it is a very good idea to get a free EIN. Now, I have a video that I have linked in the description down below that will show you exactly how to get a free EIN in about 5 minutes. Go ahead and enter in either tax ID number that you choose to use. You're going to have to answer a series of questions about your business activities here, and it will reject your answers if it cannot decide what business category it thinks you fall under. So answer these carefully. Specific things that you might offer. Click yes or no if they apply. Next, write a brief description about your business. This can state clearly what you sell, offer, or provide to your customers or clients. If you have formed an LLC, if you have obtained a different business name and that business name is used across the board on your paperwork, then you're going to enter that in here. However, if you have a business that has several different DBAs registered, you will only enter in the main legal business name for that overarching business. If you are operating under a different DBA here, then you will enter that in. Next, enter in the date that your business will start and select your business type from the drop-down menu. If you are just a single person operating a business and you have not formed an LLC doing that additional paperwork with the Secretary of State, then you will be selecting a sole proprietorship. Next, you're going to enter in your business primary address information. This is going to be on public record and searchable, and Google Maps will oftentimes take a satellite photo of the street view and place it on business listings as well. So if you are using your home address, that's important to note that your home address will be on public record and shared publicly with a possible Google Maps street view photo of your home. If you don't want to use your home address, then you will need to either obtain a separate office location or you will need to sign up for a virtual office service. You may not use a PO box and you may not use a virtual mailbox. You must specifically get a virtual office that you can register a business to. Next, if you're going to be selling or reselling tangible products, then you will need to register for a California seller's permit. Make sure that you do that first because you're going to need to enter in that permit number here. I have a video that shows you exactly how to get a California seller's permit linked in the description down below. Next, you're going to be entering in your NAICS code. This is a 6-digit code that basically tells the government what type of business you have. So you can either select it from a list here. Now, if you have trouble finding your NAICS code, I have a video that specifically helps you to locate a tool and what your NAICS code might be. It's linked in the description down below. Next, enter in your business contact information. This is going to be how they can get a hold of your business directly. Finally, enter in your filer information here and click Submit.
Lastly, it's incredibly important that you understand that getting a business license is just one piece of the business registration puzzle. There are many other aspects of the business registration process that you will need to complete in order to have a legally registered business that is compliant with your city, county, and state regulations for operating a legal business. I have a full-length video on how to start both a sole proprietorship as well as an LLC in the state of California, and I'm going to link them in the description down below for those of you who need some assistance in knowing what the other steps are and making sure that you complete them properly. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comments down below if this video was helpful or if you still have other remaining questions.